Hey everybody, welcome back to Grip and Dip Racing. Sorry about that long hiatus. Pretty rocky, rough start of the year. Had 2 deaths in the family, and then me and the whole family's been battling the flu. So now that we're all over that, we should be good to go for the season. We're getting ready to finish up this Prelude. It's a clutch job, and then as we got into it, we noticed there was a bunch of other leak. Rear main leak, distributor leaking, VTEC solenoid leaking. So yeah, pretty much everything on the top part of the trans was leaking, and the rear main. So oil was getting slung around. The reason why it started slipping was because of all the oil. We're probably gonna jam a lot of stuff into this video because I've been sitting around sick for the last week or so, and then before that we had 2 deaths in less than 2 weeks. So everything's kind of just been piling up. So got to get a jump on things and got to get it going. So here we go. Let's get started. I'm gonna show you guys the reason why we are replacing this flywheel. Dug straight in. There's a fucking thick ass groove. So well, we probably could get that turned out, but the amount of material we've got to take off is probably gonna greatly reduce our clamping force. So I would not recommend that, especially with a high torqued H22 that we got. They've got quite a bit of torque right off the factory, so definitely do not recommend that for longevity. So we went ahead and got a power torque one, and you can see how it's completely a brand new flywheel. It's not resurfaced or anything. It's brand new cast. So when installing these, you definitely have to put Loctite. Definitely.
What you got there, sir?
Oh,
What's in your hand?
it's called thread locker.
What does that do?
It locks the threads.
I'm just saying, some people may not know that.
It's actually lip balm.
Really?
What you do is you put it on your lips, you smack them together a couple times, you hold them together really tight, and
I heard it works better if you put it on your teeth and then hold really tight.
I mean, yeah, if your teeth match perfectly up, match up perfectly.
That's why you use a lot of it.
So we're rounding it up tonight. We didn't get as far as we would like, but we did a lot more cleaning than we anticipated. So now that everything's nice and clean, we went ahead and put it together. But we've got a barb that we've got to get for the coolant hose, that was because it was oil soaked. So it actually had a little pinhole coming through. So we're gonna get a barb for this, and then I've got to get an axle because it was binding up real bad on the transmission joint. It was binding up super bad, like it barely returned. So place that tomorrow, and yeah, we'll have this thing cooking. Cause that's the last two things, and then we're buttoned up. Oh, and I gotta fill it, top it off with fluids, but that's about it. We're ready to rock and roll in the morning. So I just gotta run by AutoZone and grab a barb and an axle, and then you'll be able to hear this thing purr.
So yeah, guys, we're gonna go ahead and get things taken care of. If y'all haven't already, go ahead and like and subscribe our YouTube channel. You can hit the notifications icon in the corner and you'll get recent notifications on our most recent uploads. So I hope y'all have a great time, and we're gonna end it here.